Habang maraming nangyayari sa eksenang nasyonal, huwag po natin kakalimutan ang ating mga manggagawa. Nakakaalarma ang pagtrato ng ibang mga kumpanya sa kanilang mga manggagawa. I am referring in particular to the business as usual policies implemented by a significant number of companies, including business process outsourcing companies, during the recent typhoons that hit our country. Sa kasagsagan ng Bagyong Tino at Bagyong Uwan, marami manggagawa ang napilitang lumusong sa baha at sumuong sa malalakas na ulan at hangin, hindi upang maghanap ng ligtas na masisilungan, kundi upang makapasok sa trabaho. Dahil ayon sa kanila, pinagbantaan sila ng kanilang mga kumpanya na paparusahan kung hindi sila pumasok, kahit malinaw na delikado ang sitwasyon. The practice, Madam Speaker, of compelling workers to report to work during calamities is prohibited by law. Our Constitution itself guarantees workers' rights to security of tenure and humane working conditions. In addition, Section 6 of Republic Act No. 11058, or an act strengthening compliance with occupational safety and health standards, provides that employees have the right to refuse unsafe work and mandates employers to ensure that the workplace is free from hazardous conditions. Hindi lang po yun. DOLE Labor Advisory No. 17, Series of 22, clearly states, and I quote, "Employees who fail to work by reason of imminent danger resulting from weather disturbances and similar occurrences shall not be subject to any administrative sanction," unquote. The Department of Labor and Employment has already ordered the inspection of 98 BPO firms that allegedly endangered BPO employees during the recent typhoons. However, Congress must also look into the effectiveness of the current regulatory framework in safeguarding workers in times of calamity. Tomorrow, we will file a resolution, Madam Speaker, distinguished colleagues, for the sake of our workers and their families. Let us end unjust practices that put lives in danger. Nais ko lang po ipaabot sa mga abusadong kumpanya. Hindi waterproof at calamity-proof ang manggagawang Pilipino. Hindi dapat gawing prioridad ang kita kapalit ng buhay ng tao. At hindi namin palalampasin ang mga di makatarungan na patakaran ninyo. Maraming salamat po. Thank you, Madam Speaker.